Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up and activate the Access Bank app on your mobile phone. So if you created an account on Access Bank and you want to start getting access to your bank using your mobile phone, this guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your Play Store or Apple Store, and you're going to search for AccessMore. And once you search for AccessMore, you're going to install this app. And once it's installed, you click on open. Once open, you're going to wait for it to load up. So you can see the first thing they're going to ask you to actually allow notification. You can choose to allow or not, but you should allow. Then next thing, they're going to ask you to choose a country where you are currently. So I'm in Nigeria, so and also choose a language, maybe English or China. Click to confirm, and they're going to ask you to set up your account. So click on get started right here. Once you click on get started, they're going to ask you if you actually have an account with Access Bank. So you click on yes. The next thing is they're going to ask you if you have a username and password, or you say no because you're trying to create one. So you're going to actually fill in all this form starting from your account number. So you're going to start with imputing your account number. So once you input your account number, you're going to impute your phone number too. So you just have to fill in all the informations. So once you're done, you click on the desired username. So the username is going to be used whenever you want to log in into your account. You need your username and your password. So you just input any username you want, and also a password. Just input a password, any password of your choice, and you are good to go. You have to also confirm the password. So let me quickly copy. Let's just paste and you click on continue. Sorry, let me impute a good password, better one. Let's see. Okay. Special key. So click on continue. So they're going to process it, and once you get to this point and you click on continue, because I already have an account with Access Bank, they're not going to allow me to pass through this procedure. So you click on continue, they're going to process it, and they're going to actually create your account. So you're going to see your account open with your username and everything. So once you're through with that process, the next thing they're going to ask you to activate a biometrics, that's a fingerprint for you to always use. So you click on activate, and you're going to have to put in your password. So once you put in your password, it will be registered, so you can use your password to actually log in into your account. And you can also click on don't show again maybe, and they're going to show you how the app is going to work. You can see the first one is menu right here. So click on next. They're going to show you this is the search bar, and when they are through with this menu right here is where you're going to see account transfer, payment method, bill payment, and lifestyle, cards, loan and investments. And under the account, this is where you can see your transaction history and generate bank statements, sign statements, your BVN, your NIN, your account officer, account beneficiaries, and the rest of that. So afterwards, this place is where you're going to actually see your profile here. So once you click on that, You're going to see where you can actually change and reset your PIN, change your password, and change personal data. And you can often choose to maybe turn off your biometric login, and also choose a auto login on app start. But I wouldn't advise you to actually turn that off because it's very helpful. Then you can see biometrics for transactions. So you can also activate your biometrics for transactions, so that if you want to make a transfer, you can quickly just use your fingerprint to make the transfer. But you have to input your PIN first before you can activate it. So the next one is account limit. So the account limit, you can just upgrade the account limit. And if you want to know how to upgrade your account limit, you can go to my channel and search for the video. I made a video on it. So the next one is the theme. You can choose to use a green color or a orange color, any color of your choice, and also language. So this is all you need to know about. And this ones here is literally access transfer, mobile, top up, loans, payments, and transfers. So this is what all you need to know about the access more app. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.